The Bentley Batur, which made its debut in August 2022, underwent on-road development a few months later. Now, this process has reached its official conclusion, granting the British brand the green light to commence the construction of 18 personalized examples for their esteemed clientele. In order to meticulously refine the Batur, Bentley meticulously constructed 2 pre-production models and subjected them to arduous real-world testing, accumulating an impressive mileage of over 18,641 miles. Furthermore, these vehicles endured a comprehensive evaluation period spanning a combined total of 58 weeks. The first of these pre-production cars, known as Car Zero, sported a striking purple sector body featuring a gloss dark titanium grille adorned with captivating black crystal elements. On the other hand, Car 00 boasted a distinct marina teal exterior specifically designated for development purposes within Europe, as well as high-speed driving activities conducted on enclosed circuits. An intriguing facet of the Bentley Batur lies within its composition of more than 800 distinct components, distinguishing it from any other vehicle within the Bentley lineup. An exemplary illustration of this exclusivity lies within the interior trim, incorporating recycled 3D printed gold on the so-called charisma dial, encircling the start-a-stop button. The Batur proudly serves as the culminating expression of Bentley's employment of the twin-turbo 6.0-liter W12 engine, offering an astonishing power output. This final iteration generates a remarkable 740 horsepower, surpassing the 710 horsepower of its predecessors. However, the torque output remains consistent at an impressive 737 pound-feet. Notable enhancements to the engine encompass a refined air intake, modified turbochargers, and altered intercoolers. Furthermore, the software calibrations pertaining to the power plant, transmission, and electronic stability control exhibit notable deviations from the customary setup. This limited edition Grand Touring Coupe seamlessly glides across the asphalt thanks to its advanced air suspension system, complemented by active anti-roll bars and four-wheel steering. Additionally, the car incorporates torque vectoring and an electronic limited slip differential, effectively managing the prodigious power it possesses. Remarkably, all 18 of the available Batur models have already been exclusively reserved by eagerly awaiting buyers. These fortunate customers are provided with the unique opportunity to collaborate with Bentley's esteemed Mulliner personalization division, allowing them to meticulously specify their desired colors and materials to be incorporated throughout the vehicle. Moreover, the brand prioritizes environmental consciousness, offering leather upholstery that minimizes water usage and aldehyde content during the traditional tanning process. For the eco-conscious, a textile utilizing byproducts from the coffee roasting process is made available, alongside recycled yarn for the carpets. The handcrafted nature of each customer-specific Bentley Batur necessitates an estimated production time of approximately 4 months. As a result, the final unit is expected to be completed by the end of 2024, signifying the conclusion of this exceptional endeavor.
Bentley is on a journey of transformation called Beyond 100, with an entirely electric vehicle range by 2030. Such a transformation brings with it the opportunity for a new design language, a revolution of the Bentley design DNA, the start of a new design era and a new generation of the most beautiful Grand Tourers in the world.
With Mulliner, we brought you new Bentley blowers and a return to true coach building with the Bacalar. And now we go a step further with the new ultimate Grand Tourer, the Bentley Mulliner Batur.
Customers of Bentley Mulliner have the most incredible creativity. They want truly unique one-off Bentleys that reflect their individuality and personality.
For the design team, the Batur represents the start of a Bentley design revolution. We are taking the iconic Bentley design cues and reimagining them for the years ahead. The resting B stance is very important. The car sits on its rear axle to give it a certain attitude. It's really powerful, really self-confident, but never aggressive. The endless bonnet line connects the bonnet with the body and stretches the car, makes it really elegant and really beautiful. The upright elegance starts only in the front and then goes over the whole side panel and gives us a really strong and self-confident design. Cleaner and simplified is our new attitude in design. We want to emphasize the powerful and bold surfaces. We've broken up the surfaces, especially in the front, and we have one bone line going all the way through to emphasize a really wide front end. All our brand values are in the core of the Batur. That is our future. We really emphasize everything Bentley stands for.